Tenzin suite tawa ji pa Geshe Geshe Tenzin Qanam de Chatsego. Namaste and thank you for having me over here. And sometimes I used to watch TV with my late mother, and so in that one it talks about Marathi, Kasaragod, Mumbai. Mumbai Tamils. Okay, so today we're here, the second Earth. So we are visited on this planet for temporary, not forever. Right? So it talks about Buddhism, it talks about the impermanence. So why we are over here? A, B, C, D. B is the birth, D is the death. Between birth and death there is a C for choice. Whether we want happiness or whether we want suffering. What do you want? Happiness. Do you want mental happiness or physical happiness? Both. For how long? Forever? But since from the morning till now, what do you do? For the body and for the mind. Most probably, we have given more importance to the body rather than the mind, right? How do I look like? Is this like for me? How my skin looks like? Is it good or not? Like that. But we haven't think about our minds. Right. So, the Dharma in Tibetan is called Chu. Chu means transformation of one's mind. Now, the question is whether we are being able to change our mind or not. So this morning and yesterday, as soon as I landed in Mumbai, yesterday I was walking on the gym, and this morning I also went to the gym. Everyone is jogging, doing exercise, right? Just to have six packs or all this, burn the calories and all these things. Like the same way, our mind can be trained. Our mind can be changed. When the Siddhartha was meditating and the Sujata came to offer the food, and the Siddhartha first said like, oh, I don't accept the food, and I don't eat like you common people. And the Sujata said, healthy mind comes from healthy body. Then he was thinking, oh, when I was in the palace, I can't concentrate, right? Because I have all the facilities, but there's all the disturbances. Now I'm in the jungle. There's no one to disturb me, but still I'm not able to concentrate. Then he found the middle way approach. The happiness lies between the two opposites. Then what he did was he accepted the fruit and he said to the Sujata, healthy body comes from healthy mind. And Sujata has given more importance on the body, and Siddhartha has given more importance on the mind. Now ask yourself, since from the morning till now, are you following the path of the Sujata or are you following the path of the Siddhartha? Just ask yourself. Oh, 1 minute? Okay. That's the impermanence. Time never waits. Okay. So, actually, it's honest, what he says is like the Tibetan Buddhism can be divided into two: Tibetan Buddhist religion and Tibetan Buddhist culture. In Tibet, we have the Tibetan Muslims, Tibetan Christians. They follow the Tibetan Buddhist culture, but not the religion. And also at the same time, His Holiness the Dalai divides the Buddhists into three divisions: Buddhist science, Buddhist philosophy, and the Buddhist religion. In terms, if you want to talk about the Buddhism, it's not necessarily that one should be a Buddhist. It's been almost like 4 decades that he has been having a dialogue with the scientists. So, Buddhist science and Buddhist philosophy and the Buddhist religion. So His Holiness always tells that the compassion is not a kind of luxury. It's a necessity for everyone. So if you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion. When you are feeling sad, practice compassion. When you are happy, practice compassion. So what we need is compassion, compassion, compassion. So compassion is the one who will help us to bring all of us together. Common experience and the community and the scientific thinking. So like yesterday in the afternoon, everyone, like there's not much people, but once in the evening, everyone is feeling hot. Then comes to the sea, right? Common humanity and common experience. Like the same way, what we want? Happiness. So, like the sea who breathes, compassion is the one. If you want to be happy in your own life and others to be happy. Thank you.